Hi, welcome to Daily Market Review from DeltaCapitis. Let's see what was our view yesterday and what happened today. Yesterday, we were bullish to sideways on Nifty. Buy on dips to 18,250 was suggested, but 250 never happened. It broke 330, which was the resistance of yesterday or the high of yesterday. And we had a view that maximum it might stretch to 450. I think it was struggling around 420, 450, and then probably there was a correction. So basically, bullish to sideways view did work out on Nifty, and Bank Nifty we had a sideways view wherein 43,800 to 43,900 levels is a good shorting opportunity. Basically, 44,000 is the resistance. Between 900 to 44,000 is the resistance, and 43,500 to 43,400 is the support area. So very basically, the markets are hovering between this range for a couple of days. This is like a spring, so the market's getting compressed in a zone. So once a breakout happens or a breakdown happens, I think we'll have a very good move. Let's see what is the probability, which way the market moves. Let's take a look at our view today. So what happened on Nifty on a daily chart is basically this is a resistance area or 18,450 where we have been struggling to cross. Market showed a gap up today. After gap up, there was no continuation. Basically, today the closing is a very indecisive candle. That means neither in favor of bullish or not in terms of bearishness. That means the markets are probably confused what to do. It is neither bullish at this area nor bearish at this area. Basically, it is sideways action. That is what price is telling me on a daily chart at the current level. If you look at the broader picture, markets are making higher highs and higher lows very comfortably. So basically, this is a very crucial support of 18,000. That is on a daily basis. But I cannot probably trade with 18,000 as stop loss tomorrow morning, right? So we have to look at lower time frames and find out what is exactly the support and resistance levels are for the next day. And now if you look at momentum indicator, there is a divergence that's coming in, and there is also a positive reversal that is coming in. So positive reversal basically a bullish, and divergence basically that markets are overextended. So basically both are there. And the line that you see here is a divergence trend line. So if RSI breaks this divergence trend line, then again a up move will happen in terms of momentum. Whether it will happen or not, we have to consult the price. So what I will quickly do is I'll go to the lower time frame like hourly chart and see what exactly we could expect. Now within hourly chart, we are seeing a higher highs and higher low structure. See this here? Higher high, higher low, and now higher high. And now this is probably looking at a higher low. Where this higher low could happen? So basically this longer term moving average or this candle low. So this candle low is around 18,250, and this longer term trend line or a moving average is basically around 18,270. So basically 275 to 250 is a very crucial support area for this market on a lower time frame hourly chart. Ultimate support is around 18,000 for this expiry. That is a different story. But how do we plan our trade tomorrow? Right? So market touched this resistance, struggled 3 or 4 or 5 indecisive candles, and then there was a sell-off in the last half an hour or 45 minutes here. So basically, there is definitely a struggle here. 18,450 area, there is definitely a struggle. Support area, I will consider this as a support area because this entire rally happened from here. This is the ultimate support, but we have to consider probably a very immediate support is around 18,250. So what is that I'm expecting is if this market is managing or probably anticipating a breakout like this, what should happen is it should consolidate like this and then give a breakout. Basically, if the market sustains above 18,250, the probability of a breakout on the upside is increasing. So basically 18,250 remains a key for me. As long as 250 is held, I will remain on a bullish side. If 250 is broken, then I would expect the market to probably test this level. So 250 becomes the key as far as technicals are concerned. So if 250 is held, we expect a breakout or probably test 18,450 and then 18,500 levels. That is the recipe that we see in technicals. So 250 remains the key. And any dips to 250 would be a low risk entry on the long side. I cannot short because the shorting should happen around this area. Now I cannot short immediately. So if at all there is a dip, take a very cautious short. Do not be over leveraging your positions. If market gives an opportunity around 250, that would be a good location to take long. And if the market sustains above 250, expect a breakout above this. So 250 will remain a key for a breakout in terms of technicals. Now, what happened today on the data side? Let's quickly look at the data. So on the data, highest call open interest was at 18,500 with 1 CR open interest. Now it is shifted to 18,400. So that means the resistance is shifted to 18,400 levels with 1.1 CR position. So 18,400 becomes an immediate resistance for us for intraday for tomorrow. So basically, so 250, and if you look at highest open interest on the put side, is sitting at 18,200. See, 18,200 was a support area. Sorry, 18,200 was support area yesterday with 1.2 CR open interest. Today, 18,200 remains a support area, but there is some unwinding. Not a major unwinding, maybe around 15 lakhs or so. Some unwinding is seen, but nothing alarming, because alarming meaning that 10-15% above, you should see unwinding, but the unwinding is not big. Call rating is getting comfortable at 18,500. Now they shifted 18,400. So basically, 18 again from data 18,400, 18,200. Again, that becomes the range. So 400, 200 range from the data side, 250 to 450 from technical side. So basically, we are looking at 200 to 350, 400 range. As long as the market sustains between 200 or 250 to 350, 400 range, we will have to play sideways. There is no other go. We cannot be absolutely bullish, nor absolutely bearish. So where was the highest open interest in the call side? It was built today, 18,400 call, 38 lakhs. Where was the highest put open interest in the put side? It was 38 lakhs, around 18,300. So basically, again, 200 to 400, 250 to 400. So basically, this is the range that is seen. So any big move should be between or above this range or below this range. As long as 250, 200, 400, 450, this range is intact, play sideways, play neutral. That means buy at 250, sell at 400. Buy at 250, sell at 400. That is what we'll have to do. And in terms of Bank Nifty today, Bank Nifty, we had a bearish view, sideways view yesterday. I think the same sideways view was continued today also. If you look at the daily chart, first, Bank Nifty again, see this here, price continues to stay above the short-term moving average. Any small dips to 43, 500, 400 is getting bought, but any rally towards 44,000 is getting sold. Now, how good is the sell-off from 44,000? That is a question that we have, right? So this is a resistance area. So first time market touched 44,000, there was a big fall towards 43,300, 400. Next time market touched 44,000, we had a sell-off towards 43,500, 550. And again, market touched 44,000, we had a sell-off towards 43,600. Now again today we had a rally towards 44,000. Now we do not know where the sell-off is. So basically within this sideways zone, I am comfortably able to see higher lows. This was a low, next low, next low, next low. So markets. So what is that we could expect is if the market sustains above this trend line, there would be a higher chances that it will break above 44,000, makes a new high. So now what is the recipe for a breakout? The market should hold above this trend line. Worst case, it should hold above 43,700 levels. So if the market holds above 700 or 500 levels, if these two support levels are basically held in 1 or 2 days, this will definitely going to be a breakout above 44,000. So now you on Nifty 18,250, it should sustain above 250 for a breakout. On Bank Nifty, it should sustain above 43,500, 600, 700. So this is the range that is sitting here. I will not be able to give you a exact range because the support is getting shifted like this. So basically, this is the range. If market sustains above this range, and look at the play of moving averages there. First sell-off, it crossed the long-term moving average. Second sell-off, it mildly crossed. Third time, it did not cross. Fourth time, if it doesn't cross, a recipe there. Right? So basically, I am expecting a breakout only if 43,500 to 600 is held. If it is not held, I would again think that this market is sideways. So basically, I will place sideways to neutral, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the support being 43,500, See, 44 is the resistance, 43 is support. So sell at resistance, buy at support. 250 is the support, buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay, I think I have interchanged this one. 43,500 support, 44,000 is a resistance. So basically, buy at these two levels, sell at these two levels. Now I have marked something in yellow. That becomes a very crucial point for a breakout. If market sustains above 250, then probability of testing 500 increases. It means market touching 18,500 increases. If market sustains above 43,500, then probability of breaking 44,000 increases. So these two yellow highlighted points should be kept in mind if I am expecting a breakout, right? So till then, play sideways view. 250 buy, 400, 450 sell. 43,500 buy, 44,000 sell. Play neutral, wait for a breakout. When a breakout will happen, I have already highlighted here, right? So good luck trading for tomorrow, and keep following me on the Telegram and on YouTube so that you will get daily updates. You don't miss the updates. All right. Thank you so much.